Oh my goodness. This is magic. It's like a fairy world. Look at the magic in this. Look, these trees have made like this amazing loop. And it just looks like such a magical kingdom. Look at this. You know? And people say nature isn't magical. Look at how magical this is. It just blows my mind with beauty. And my daughter is playing at the back there. And just the ferns. Absolutely like a world of wonder. I'm just in awe. Ah, absolutely soaking in this beautiful magic. This reminds us of the magic of who we are, the magic of our being, this amazing beauty and joy in all ways. Wow. And this is the other side of it, and look what nature made. A tree fell and gave completely new life. It's such an amazing cycle to watch, that in nature there's no death, it's just constant rebirthing and rebirthing and rebirthing. Just in awe of the magic and the perfection of it.